In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change TickTick password. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, and I'll share a few quick tips to make your new password strong and easy to manage. Start by opening your web browser and searching for TickTick, then head to the official TickTick website. On the homepage, look for the sign in button and click it. Go ahead and log into your account as you normally would. If you use the desktop app, the next steps look very similar, but I'll demonstrate using the web app for clarity. Once you're signed in, you'll land in your tasks view. Look toward the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. This opens a small menu with account options. From there, choose Settings. The Settings panel groups a lot of account controls in one place, so this is where you'll manage your password. Inside Settings, find and select Change Password. This brings up the password form. First, enter your current password. This confirms that it's you making the change and helps protect your account. If you're not sure what your current password is, you can back out and use the standard password recovery flow from the sign-in page, then return here once you're back in. Next, type your new password. Aim for something unique that you aren't using anywhere else. A strong passphrase made of random words or a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols is a great choice. Watch for any on-screen requirements like minimum length and make sure you meet them. Consider using a reputable password manager to generate and store your password securely so you don't have to memorize it. When you're satisfied with your new password, click Save. TickTick will process the change, and in many cases, you'll see a confirmation message. You might be prompted to sign in again using the new password. If that happens, it's normal and simply confirms the update. From now on, you'll use the new password to access your account. A couple of quick notes to wrap up. If you typically sign in with a third-party service like a major email or device provider, the change password option may behave differently because your credentials are managed by that provider. Also, after updating, consider reviewing your security settings and ensuring you're signed out on devices you no longer use. That's it. You've successfully changed your TickTick password. Thanks for watching and keep your account safe with strong, unique credentials.